Hello, my name is Gusas. I'm a member of our project team. We are from Vilniaus Žemynos Gymnasium and I'm here to present our project. So firstly, our vision was to create a light installation from PMMA organic glass to represent our country's national costumes. They represent our national identity and our culture. Our workflow consisted of searching for ideas, drawing sketches, digitalizing the sketches, correction of the digital sketches, separating the clothing pieces by color, creation of the frame, taking into account the capabilities of the laser cutter, stained organic glass assembly, lighting frame assembly, and the final product. So, first step, searching for ideas. We took examples from Baltos Lankos publisher's book Lietuvių tautinis kostiumas, translation, Lithuania's national costume. Next step, drawing sketches. We did sketches on paper and later traced the lines with a black gel pen. Next step, digitalizing the sketches. We scanned the sketches and converted them into DXF files. The main problem appeared. The single file lines became double lines, which are impossible to work with when using a laser cutter. Next step, correction of the digital mistakes. We fixed this problem by erasing one of the lines or drawing a brand new one in its place. Next step, separating the clothing pieces by color. After all of the lines are fixed, we can start separating separate pieces by color. As you can see, these are the separate pieces. Next step, creation of a frame, taking into account the capabilities of the laser cutter. Our laser cutter has a limited potential, so we had to adapt to its capabilities to make the glass frame for the installation. We had to leave extra space for the LED strips that are going to be installed later. We also had to shrink all of the pieces by a certain percent. Next step, the stained organic glass assembly. After cutting every piece out, we start putting the pieces into place. Next step, lighting frame assembly. With a bit of soldering, we acquired the needed length for the LED strips and installed them. We also choose a specific material to gently reflect the light. And this is how our final product looks like. To summarize, we planned on making all 5 sets of the different regions, but even a single set of costumes took a lot more time than we anticipated. Thank you for your attention.